Craftsters, this is your Green Goo Crafts and today we will be unboxing Minions, Rise of Gru McDonald's Happy Meal toys and we are about to see how badass and cute as well these toys are. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Here we go. First we must unbox the number 3 Minion. Oh, it's Bob. It's very nice to see Bob's in the martial arts suit. Then the number 6. Let's open it. And it's the martial arts Kevin. Look how badass Kevin in this suit with nunchaku equipped. I can see Bruce Lee in him. Let's jump to number 11. Let's open it. Oh, it's Stuart holding the moon. Moon could possibly steal by Gru through Dr. Nefario's shrink ray. Let's open number 14. Let's get it on. Protagonist of the film and the Despicable Minions boss Young Gru in his rocket boots. This is great find I think. Let's hop into Minion number 17. Let's open it. Whooshish Craftsters, I think we've found a rare gold Minion. I think it's Bob dressing a girl outfit. What a great find! Minion number 18. What a cute Minion ball shell. I love it. Wow, another rare gold Minion and this time it's an evil Minion. It's very detailed. I am grateful to have one. And this time it's on its original variant evil Minion. Then the number 20 Minion is on the way. Artist Stuart, another Bruce Lee inspired Minion holding some blunt weapon. I think this one is so badass. And last but not the least on our list, the number 28 Minion. Looks like it's Stuart in a disco Minion costume. There you have it. Minions, Rise of Gru McDonald's Happy Meal toys. What a great finds today. All of them are badass and 2 out of 9 toys are rare gold Minions. For more McDonald's Happy Meal unboxing and toy restoration, make sure to subscribe our channel Green Goo Crafts. Thank you for staying with us and see you